Let's solve the equation 5 to the x plus 5 to the x equals 25. We'll go step by step with clear reasoning and clean visuals. Step 1. Combine like terms. Think of two identical items. 1 apple plus 1 apple equals 2 apples. So, 5 to the x plus 5 to the x becomes 2 times 5 to the x. Step 2. Isolate the exponential term. Since it is multiplied by 2, divide both sides by 2. This simplifies to 5 to the x equals 12.5, which is 25 divided by 2. Step 3. Use logarithms to bring down the exponent. Take the logarithm of both sides. Apply the power rule, which says log of a to the x equals x times log a. Step 4. Solve for x. Divide both sides by log 5. We can also write this as log base 5 of 12.5, and even as 2 minus log base 5 of 2, since 12.5 is 25 over 2. Now compute a decimal approximation. Therefore, the solution is approximately 1.5693, and exactly x equals log base 5 of 12.5. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.